Welcome to this tutorial on Restart Computer and Stop Computer. These are two essential PowerShell cmdlets used for remote system power management. Restart Computer allows you to reboot computers, while Stop Computer enables you to shut them down. Both cmdlets can target local machines or remote systems across your network. These tools are fundamental for system administrators who need to manage multiple computers efficiently, whether for applying updates, performing maintenance, or troubleshooting issues. Throughout this video, we will explore how these cmdlets work, their key parameters, and practical examples you can use in real-world scenarios. Let's start with Restart Computer. This cmdlet restarts local or remote computers with customizable force and wait options. The basic syntax is straightforward. You use the cmdlet name followed by the -ComputerName parameter to specify which computer you want to restart. In this example, we are restarting a computer named Server 01 using the -force parameter. The -force parameter is important because it bypasses any user prompts and forces an immediate restart, which is especially useful when running automated scripts or performing remote maintenance tasks where you cannot interact with dialog boxes. Restart Computer has several key parameters that give you control over how the restart occurs. The -ComputerName parameter specifies the target computer or an array of multiple computers. The -force parameter forces an immediate restart without prompting users, making it ideal for scripted operations. The -wait parameter tells PowerShell to wait for the restart to complete before continuing with the next command in your script. Finally, the -timeout parameter sets the maximum wait time in seconds, preventing your script from hanging indefinitely if a computer fails to restart properly. Understanding these parameters helps you create more robust and reliable automation scripts. Here are two practical examples of using Restart Computer. In the first example, we restart multiple remote computers simultaneously. Notice how we specify Server 01 and Server 02 as a comma-separated list after the -ComputerName parameter, followed by -force to ensure immediate restart without prompts. The second example demonstrates restarting with wait and timeout options. Here, we restart Server 01, use the -wait parameter to pause script execution until the restart completes, and set a -timeout of 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. If the computer does not restart within this time frame, PowerShell will continue executing the next commands. Now let's examine Stop Computer. This cmdlet shuts down local or remote computers with force and credential options. The syntax is very similar to Restart Computer. You specify the cmdlet name, followed by -ComputerName to identify which computer to shut down. In this example, we are shutting down Server 01 using the -force parameter. The -force parameter works the same way here, bypassing user prompts and forcing an immediate shutdown. This is particularly useful when you need to perform emergency shutdowns or when managing systems remotely where user interaction is not possible. Stop Computer also has several important parameters. The -ComputerName parameter specifies the target computer or an array of computers, just like with Restart Computer. The -force parameter forces immediate shutdown without user prompts. The -credential parameter is particularly important for Stop Computer, as it allows you to specify alternate credentials when you need to shut down remote systems that require different authentication. The -wsman authentication parameter sets the authentication mechanism for WS management, which is the underlying protocol used for remote operations. This parameter gives you control over security protocols when managing remote systems. Here are two practical examples of using Stop Computer. The first example shows how to shut down multiple remote computers at once. We specify Server 01 and Server 02 as a comma-separated list after -ComputerName, followed by -force for immediate shutdown. The second example demonstrates shutting down with alternate credentials. Here, we shut down Server 01 using the -credential parameter to specify domain \admin. When you run this command, PowerShell will prompt you to enter the password for the specified account, allowing you to shut down systems where you do not have automatic access with your current credentials. Let's review some best practices for using these cmdlets safely and effectively. First, always use the -force parameter to bypass user prompts in scripts. This ensures your automation runs smoothly without manual intervention. Second, use the -wait parameter with an appropriate timeout for critical operations where you need to confirm that a restart completed successfully before proceeding. Third, store credentials securely when accessing remote systems. Avoid hard-coding passwords in scripts. Instead, use secure credential storage methods or prompt for credentials when needed. Finally, always test your commands on non-production systems first. Restarting or shutting down the wrong computer can cause significant disruption, so testing helps you avoid costly mistakes in production environments.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.